Well, I guess our story begins with the pregnancy of my second child back in 2012. I was introduced to Holly through a friend, and Holly saw me immediately because I was having some issues with my pelvis being pregnant, and she adjusted me and took a look at how things were positioned and was able to correct things in that moment. And at that time, I was actually 5 days late with my second. And so she didn't want me to go any further into my pregnancy or any later than I needed to go. And I ended up having Eva 5 days later, which was a relief considering I was 3 weeks late with my first one. It was probably due to the same type of pelvic issues I was having with my first child. Following Eva's birth, we got Eva adjusted, and Eva actually had some cranial plate overlapping. And Dr. Holly was actually able to take care of that and avoid Eva from wearing one of those odd infant helmets that kids have to wear. And then from that point on, our whole family started to come to Dr. Holly. My husband saw relief with some of the grinding that he was experiencing at night with his teeth, as well as frequent headaches from the grinding due to stress. I had scoliosis since I was 12, and Dr. Holly has been able to correct that, and now my spine is straight. And I no longer have off-balanced pelvis. So hopefully with the next pregnancy, I won't experience the same type of pelvic pain because that's all been straightened out. I was told when I was 12 or 13, whenever I was diagnosed with scoliosis, that I would actually have to have surgery to correct my spine. So having Dr. Holly tell me that she could correct my scoliosis with adjustments 2 to 3 times a week for 2 to 3 months was a big relief. Surgery is definitely not something that anyone wants to undergo if it can be avoided. So we proceeded with the treatments, and 3 months later, Dr. Holly updated my x-rays and showed me the correction in my spine, and it was definitely very rewarding to see. It was definitely worth the financial investment, but it was also worth the relationships that were developed between me and Dr. Holly and my family and my kids. The time that we had to take to come here was worth it. My kids are healthy. They're both in daycare because me and my husband both work full-time, and my kids are rarely sick. And I do give credit to the regular adjustments that they receive that allow their immune systems to stay activated and fight things off when they do have them. My oldest daughter has actually had strep twice, and we've been able to take care of it with adjustments and no antibiotics. She's only ever had antibiotics once, and that was when we weren't under chiropractor treatment. And our youngest has never had antibiotics. And so that's definitely something I'm proud of, considering our society thrives off of over-medicating and medicating when the immune system is completely capable of taking care of itself if things are in proper alignment. So we are very thankful for Dr. Holly, and we will continue to see her, and hopefully as our family grows, the relationship with Dr. Holly will grow, and we absolutely love her. That's it. Perfect. Yay! We're all done.